In this video, I want to share with you my best scalping strategy ever. This is my best scalping strategy ever. And why I love this strategy is because it is based on price action and is a smart money concept strategy and it's scalping strategy with a very high win rate. I actually love this strategy so much because it's very reliable. It's very reliable. So this strategy will help you to scalp the market, make quick profits here and there. In case you are trading in a day, before when you are waiting for your main setup, you can just use it to scalp, make so much money. Okay, about this strategy, as I said, is a strategy that is based on smart money concepts. All right, and this strategy happens every day on the market. And why I love this strategy is because it has a very high win rate. This strategy has a very high win rate. In fact, this strategy has over 95% win rate. It works almost all the time. It works all the time. Almost, I can tell you that it works all the time if you followed all the rules, all the details, all the rules of this strategy. And I tell you, you're gonna make so much money consistently and profitably from the forex market. Now, what are the rules of this strategy? Number one, you need to ensure that there are no upcoming high impact news release before you trade this strategy. Ensure that there are no upcoming high impact news release. Also, you need to trade these strategies during the London and New York session, not Asian session. We want to have good market volume while trading this strategy. All right, so third one is that you need to locate demand or supply zone on a higher time frame, like H1 time frame, M15, M30 time frame. All right, so you need to locate a demand or supply zone. All right, if you don't know what is a demand and supply zone, I've made several videos on how to trade demand and supply zones. Check the description box of this video, you're going to see them. All right, fourth one is that you need to wait for price to come to either your demand zone or your supply zone. Next one is that you need to step down to a lower time frame. Once price has come to your higher time frame demand or supply zone, you now step down to your lower time frame, which is M5, 5 minutes time frame or 1 minute time frame. So now after you have done that, you now wait for when you have stepped down to your lower time frame like M5 or M1, you now wait for change of character, which is CHOCH, change of character. All right, if you don't know what is change of character, refer to my previous videos on smart money entry confirmation strategy, and it is linked in the description box of this video. I've made 2 or more videos on smart money entry confirmation strategy. All right, so change of character, CHOCH, and return to order block. These 2 concepts, return to order block and change of character, are used to trade refinement of zones and smart money entry confirmations to trade. All right, so and I've made 2 explicit or more videos on it. So now the 7th thing, now you need to, when you have seen the change of character and return to order blocks, you need to get into the trade. You need to enter a buy trade at the return to order block for a demand zone. If it's a demand zone, once you have seen a return to order block on a lower time frame, enter a buy trade. For a supply zone, once you have seen change of character and return to order block, all right, on the lower time frame, you need to enter a sell trade, all right, for a supply zone. All right, so refer to my previous videos on change of character and return to order block concepts. So now the 8th one is you need to risk 1 to 10% of your account, depending. Okay, it has a very high win rate, so you can up your game. You can although the industry standard is 1% risk, all right, but since you are scalping, you can go for 5% risking of your account, 5% of your account, 2% of your account, 3%, 5%, even 10%, depending on your risk appetite. All right, so now you take profit at 5 to 10 pips. Okay, now you see why you need to step up your risk. All right, the risk amount you are risking, because you are going for a short price movement of 5 to 10 pips of price movement in your direction. You are going to place your stop loss above the lower time frame. I'm going to show you on the chart right now all of these. Just do not fret. I'm going to show you right now on the chart. Place your stop loss above the lower time frame refined supply zone on your lower time frame, or that is if you are talking about a supply zone. And also place your stop loss on the lower time frame refined demand zone if you are actually buying or you are in a demand zone. All right, now let's see how this works. Let me show an example. All right, for here now you can see this is USDCAD. This setup, I shared it in our group. If you're yet to join our free Telegram channel, the link to the free Telegram channel is in the description box of this video. All right, there I share useful content as to how you free chart analysis. Okay, so I actually, in that free Telegram channel, I post free chart analysis that you can trade at your own discretion. So try and join. The link is in the description box of the videos. You can see that USDCAD, this is a setup. I actually posted this setup that the price was going to come I said I actually meant that price was going to come and come to the supply zone and sell. We're going to look for change of character and return to order block before we trade this, before we get in here. But that is going to happen on a lower time frame, right? So now let us see how that works. Let's see. For the scalping strategy, you can see now price, this is the same USDCAD. Price came up, and you see broke structure, giving us a change of character. Once price came to the zone, we step down. You can step down to 1 minute time frame, but here I didn't step down actually, but you can actually step down to 1 minute time frame. And when you step down to 1 minute time frame, you have your change of character. Change of character is basically a break of structure that it signals a reversal of trend, all right, from a zone. Change of character is a break of structure, the first break of structure after price has gotten to a supply or demand zone that signals a change in trend, all right, from a buy to sell, or from a sell to buy. So in this case, it's from buy, market bought up to the zone, and there's a break of structure. This is a break of structure, but with this, all these are break of structure to the upside. So now the break of structure to the downside is called change of character in this case. So this is a bearish change of character, and now price return to the zone that caused the break of the bearish change of character. All right. So now, so we get into the trade right there, and you target 5 to 10 pips here. So this is basically 5 to 10 pips. So this is if you are trading this as a day trading, this is your TP target, all right. But as for scalping, you just get in there 1 to 10% of your account risking, and you see you take profit just around 5 to 10 pips. As you can see, 5 to 10 pips. So now if you're now trading it as a day trading, you can now hold the rest position down there. All right, let's see how it played out. Okay, you can see this, as this strategy actually worked. You can see I scalped this point. I take some profit here from my scalping. All right, even then I now hold the rest position down to the final TP. Okay, price came to the final TP. Bet for a scalping strategy, you take is 5 to 10 pips. Okay, 5 to 10 pips profit for scalping. After the change of character and return to other blocks, you just enter and take your profit at 5 to 10 pips. The market, the rule of this strategy is that once there is a change of character and return to other block, that the market will always move at least 5 pips in your direction. If the market is going to, if this strategy, if this trade is going to fail, okay, fail and start buying, the market must move 5 pips. It is guaranteed. I've backtested this countless number of times. The market must give you 5 pips after any change of character and return to other block. The market must move 5 pips in your direction, even if it's going to fail. If it's going to fail, it will give you 5 pips at least. So that is where we bank this strategy on. That is where I got this strategy from. I developed this strategy, this scalping strategy. So you need to get out of the trade if you are scalping here. All right, get out of the trade here. 5 to 10 pips. Then if you want to hold the rest of your position, you can hold it down. But if you are scalping with a high risk, get out of the trade at 5 to 10 pips. That is the strategy. That is the scalping strategy, my best scalping strategy. High win rate. Now let us see another example. We're going to see another example right now, but please, I want to remind you that please kindly subscribe to this YouTube channel if you're yet to do so. All right, I don't want you to miss any of my content. So if you're yet to do so, please kindly subscribe to this YouTube channel and give this video a thumbs up if you find value from it, and share with your friends. All right, so that I can be encouraged to make you more videos, more useful content that can help you to improve in your trading. Now let us see here that we just saw for a supply zone, but this one now is for a demand zone. This trade will happen last week. All right, this trade happened last week. I posted this in a group, in a Telegram channel. This is for this is for Euro USD, and I said that price was going to come down to this zone and give us a signal to buy, and we're going to ride this. But if you are to scalp this, let us see how that will play out. So for scalping, this is actually for scalping. This is entry confirmation. So you can see right here that the market broke structure. Okay, broke structure, giving us a change of character right there. Okay, the market gave us a change of character right there to the upside. And so for the strategy, we're going to wait for the return to order block. Market should return to this order block that gave us the change of character. And so when market does that, we get into the trade here, risking 1 to 10% of our account. Very high risk, because the strategy is very powerful. Place our stop loss right there, and then we'll ride the market to this point. So this is about 5 to 10. This is about 5 to 10 pips. Okay, these are 5 to 10 pips, so we take our profit right there. But if you are trading this as a day trader, you can still hold the rest of your position right onto the final TP. All right, but this is a scalping of it. This is scalping of it. So for those of you that, for several of us took, after I scalped, I still hold some of my position down to final TP. All right, you can see right here now how this played out. Here you can see that the market actually respected my analysis and came right into the zone, and then you can see how the market bought up with a very strong moment. You can, if you are in the Telegram channel, you're going to see that I shared this setup, I shared this analysis, and I shared how this played out. All right, so this is a strategy that will help you to make consistent profit. In fact, I can say it has 100% win rate if you follow all the rules judiciously. If you follow all the rules very, very well, you can make 100% win rate. It gives you 100% win rate, but if you actually follow the rules. All right, so this is the strategy I thought to share with you. More useful content will come. Kindly subscribe to this YouTube channel if you're here to do so. If you want me to mentor you personally, one-on-one, you want me to take you by the hand until you become a very profitable forex trader, I can do that. All you just need to do is to send me a DM. My contact detail is in our free Telegram channel, and the link to our free Telegram channel is in the description box of this video. So I have a lot of people I'm currently mentoring and training one-on-one. So if you want me to mentor you at a very subsidized rate, I can do that. Do not hesitate to contact me. So to come your way next time with another useful content, do have a wonderful day ahead. Bye.